Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the podcast with EJ students. Okay, so I have been literally waiting for this conversation whole week. I am Nurilan Suhail and sitting right next to me is my friend Muzaib. Dear, how are you?
I'm absolutely fine, Nolan. How are you?
I'm also good. First of all, thanks for coming here and joining us for this podcast.
Yeah, literally, I was so excited for this podcast since the topic, small habits and success. Like, I can talk about this all day, coffee beater weekend.
And honestly, that's the whole vibe today. Like, we are keeping it real. Like, we are just two people sitting at home having coffee and figuring out life together. So, Muzaib, dear, tell us why do people struggle so much in building good habits?
Okay, so honestly, I think the biggest problem that people face is that they just go too big and too fast. Like, they'll just wake up on one Monday and say, from today, I'll wake up at 5 a.m. I'll read 30 pages of a book. I'll do exercise for an hour. I'll learn a new skill. And then by Wednesday, everything's just gone. They are just back to zero.
Okay, so you just described literally every January 1st of my life. But seriously though, what should people do instead?
Start embarrassingly small. Like, I mean it, embarrassingly small. Don't say I'll read 30 pages of a book. Say I'll read one. Don't say I'll do exercise for an hour. Say I'll do 5 minutes. Because the goal isn't about the size of the habit, it's about showing up every single day.
Okay, that one actually hits different. Like doing one thing big once in a while is not good, but showing up every day matters more than that.
Exactly. And you know what's easy? That tiny habit, it compounds. One page a day is 365 pages a day. It's like 4 or 5 books just by reading one page a day.
Wait. That's like I'm doing maths in my head, and yeah, that's insane. But Muzaib, okay, talk to me about time because almost every student we meet, they say we do not have time.
No, I don't have time to answer this question. This is the most common excuse in the world. But here's the thing, it's a time problem, it's a priority problem. Everyone has 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours. Your favorite cricketer has 24 hours. But the question that rises is that what are you doing with yours?
Okay, that one stings a little. Now I'm more curious. How do you fix it?
Simple, just pick your top 2 or 3 tasks in the morning and complete them first before using any app like Instagram, Snapchat, before anything. And if you really want to level up, just time block them. Put them on your calendar like an important meeting. And you know what? When time has boundaries, you respect it way more.
Okay, that's more like keeping your work like a meeting. You cannot cancel because we never cancel on other people, but we do cancel on ourselves, है ना?
Exactly. Simple. And that brings me to discipline. People think that being disciplined means being like a robot, waking up at 4 a.m., cold showers, no fun at all. But that's not it at all.
Please, cold showers in this weather. No, thank you. Then you tell what's discipline then?
Discipline. Discipline is just doing what you said you do, even when you don't feel like it. See, motivation comes and goes. Maybe you are motivated today, but not tomorrow. But discipline is a decision. You decide. This is what I do at 6 p.m. and no negotiation with yourself.
Okay, like motivation is a feeling and discipline is a decision. Muzeb, I think that's the quote of this episode today.
Put it on a poster, but seriously, when something becomes a system, you stop fighting for it with yourself.
Okay, now before we go, goals. Talk to me about goals because I think everyone makes goals, but no one actually sticks to them. What's the secret, Muzeb?
The secret is make it specific. I want to be healthy. It's not a goal. It's a wish. A goal is I will walk for 20 minutes every morning, Monday to Friday. And now you can actually track it, right? And break bigger goals into smaller weekly so it doesn't feel far away. And yeah, write it down. Like, seriously, write it down.
So just listeners, like how just after writing it makes a difference.
100%, there's something in your brain that shifts from a floating thought to actual words on paper. It feels real. It becomes a commitment. Try tonight, just write down one wish for this week and see how different it feels.
Okay, guys, before we go, Muzeb, hit us with one tiny habit that everyone watching can start right now, right after this episode ends.
Okay, so write down one goal for this week, not five, just one goal. And tomorrow morning, just time block a task that moves you towards it. And be consistent for 30 days and you'll just not recognize yourself.
And mine, pick one thing you already do every day, like making chai, brushing your teeth, and right after that, do your new tiny habit. Stick it on top, and that's how habits stick with you without any extra effort. Muzeb, yaar, that was so fun being with you.
No, I had so much fun with you. But remember, everyone, you don't need a big dramatic life change. Just small habit done daily, and that's the whole formula.
And to everyone watching, if this hits home for you, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And till the next one, Allah Hafiz.